Aurora glows above Earth, and aurora glows in Earth's atmosphere, as the International Space Station soared 260 miles above Utah during orbital nighttime. Credit: NASA. Microgravity and immunity research. 2 space biology studies on the ISS are investigating how microgravity affects immunity and physical fitness as astronauts prepare for longer missions. Credit: NASA. Exercise studies in microgravity. Astronauts perform fitness evaluations and exercise on the ISS, using specialized equipment to monitor their aerobic capacity and oxygen uptake. Credit: NASA. Cleaning spacesuit components. Astronauts clean and inspect spacesuit components after a spacewalk, ensuring their functionality and reliability for future missions. Credit: NASA. 3D printing in space. Research is being conducted on the ISS to demonstrate 3D printing capabilities in space, aiming to promote self-sufficiency for future crews. Credit: NASA. Trash management on the ISS. Crew members pack and discard trash and gear in the cargo craft to maintain a clean and organized living environment aboard the ISS. Credit: NASA. Promoting self-sufficient crews. Russian cosmonauts demonstrate manufacturing tools and supplies in space, seeking to reduce dependency on Earth for resources. Credit: NASA. Exploring future spacecraft technology. Cosmonauts explore futuristic spacecraft and robotic piloting techniques to inform potential missions to other planets. Credit: NASA.